Hello everybody, my YouTube handle is at Girl Power. I am a fitness instructor. Epidemic sounds really helps bring my videos to life. You know, working out and music, they really go along. So what I do, I come to my Epidemic's account, and what I love about Epidemic Sound, they already have a selection for me based on my previous selections. So this is what they have recommended for me. So I go through and see if there's something I want, some music I want, play it if it's what I want. I just download the song. Once I've downloaded, I go to my editor. I use Adobe Premiere for my videos. So now I just import the song I have selected. And then I now add it as an audio for however long I want it to play. Most of the time I just use the same song, but if sometimes during working out I'll just choose the music from Epidemic Sounds and allow it to play as I work out.
So just off the ground.
So Epidemic Sounds has really been of help to me. And yes, that's my story. So check out my YouTube handle, Girl Power, and let's bring this home.